Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. We have to find the 31st term. We have to find the 31st term. 31st term equals to A plus 30D we have to find. Here we have a formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A 31st is equals to A plus 31st minus 1 into D, that equals A plus 31st minus 1 is equals to 30. So 30D we have to find A plus 30D term, A 31st. Now here what we have, 11th term we have, 11th term equals to 38. It can be written as A plus 10D is equals to 38, equation number 1. And one more term we have, 16th term is 73. 16th term equals to 73. That means A plus 15D is equals to 73, equation number 2. We have to solve these two equations. Let me take first second equation. A plus 15D is equals to 73. Now first equation, A plus 10D is equals to 38. Now we have to solve them. Now let me solve these equations by elimination method. What is the coefficient of A? 1. Here also A coefficient of A is equals to 1. Let me solve. I want to solve A. Now I am going to change the signs. Minus, here also minus, here also minus. These two terms will get cancelled. Now here 15D minus 10D equals to 5D. That equals here 73 minus 38. 1 borrow 13. 13 minus 8. 5. And here 6 will remain. 6 minus 3. 3. Now here D is equals to 35 divided by 5. Then D is equals to 7. Now we got to D value. D value is not enough. We need to find A also. Then from equation number 1, from equation 1, what is 1? A plus 10D is equals to 38. Now A value we had to find. A plus 10 into D value we have. D is equals to 7, that equals to 38. A plus, now multiply this 10 into 7, 70. 70 is equals to 38. I want A value only. A is equals to, transpose right side, 38 minus 70. Then A is equals to, if we subtract these two, 70 minus 38, that means minus 32. A value equals to minus 32. Now we have to find term. 31st term we have to find. 31st term is equals to A plus 30D. Then 31st term equals to A plus 30D. Then A value we have. A is equals to minus 32 plus 30 into D value. Here we have D is equals to 7. 7 minus 32 plus 3 into 7, 21, and 0 is here. And if we subtract 210 minus 32 is equals to 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8. Here 0 will remain. Take one borrow, 10. 10 minus 3, 7, 1. 178. Therefore 31st term equals to 178. 31st term is equals to 178.